guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who's new, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing some red bottoms. So excited, they're right here in this box. But before we get into that, if you are new, if you're returning and you have not, please press that subscribe button down below, like this video, and comment. You know, I'm very active in my comments. It's definitely combat. A what? Definitely comment, and I'm definitely gonna respond back to you. But thank you so much for being here. If you like luxury, get ready looks, travel vlogs, lifestyle, beauty, this is the page. No, I'll wait. I'm gonna wait. Actually, I'm gonna give you a minute to subscribe. Okay. I think that was long enough. All right. So coming back with another unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing, like I said, these red bottoms. I can't remember the name, but I know the name of them will be in the description box. I ordered these from Nordstrom. Hope this information was right. I ordered these from Nordstrom. They were back ordered. Ordered them since June, and I finally got them. So super excited. So into it. It comes in a regular plain black box, but then I did open it. I had to make sure they fit me, guys, but don't worry, you know, you'll get an extra response. So Nordstrom puts this really cute thank you card on the front of it. It says, "We hope you love it. Thanks for shopping with us. Your new designer purchase is amazing. If you need to exchange or return, please make sure it's in its original condition. Blase." This is adorable. I guess I shop from Nordstrom all the time. I mean, I've never spent over $1,000 on one item, so I like that when you do buy luxury, they add a little extra. And once again, I said this in a different video, I'm going to say it again. Luxury does not have to be something designer. It can be anything that's special to you. This video is not about, oh, I have it, I could buy it. I like this. I like things like this. I work hard, I save, and I treat myself from time to time. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. This is my first pair of red bottoms, and okay, let me tell you something. What Future said, I got red bottoms on, life is good. That's about to be me everywhere, you know. Had to do a little red dress. Had to do a little red dress. But let's get into it. I'm super excited. So I'm not a heels girl. My feet be hurting. I can't do it. So I couldn't order like the Cades or the Socades or any of those because I was like, my feet's gonna hurt and I'm barely gonna wear it. I want to get something that I'm actually gonna get my money's worth for. This price. I'm gonna link them down below. I think they're sold out on Nordstrom, but I'll link them from somewhere else. So it comes with the dust bag. So cute. It feels so nice, which I'm definitely gonna be using. It only comes with one dust bag. I don't know if they made an error. I actually am upset by that because I want one for each shoe, but it's okay. Dust bag. The tissue paper is nice. There's no writing or designs on it, but it feels really nice. Are you guys ready for this? I don't think you're ready for it. Like, are you ready? Like, I need you to get excited. Like how I'm excited, I need you to get there. Okay. It's really like Christmas. These are them. This is her. This is she. She's here. Oh wow. She feels so good. Look. She's walking away and you're, you know, she's beautiful. So I got the pair. I think this is called the Adox. Can't remember the name of this style. Should be on the box, right? Adox. I got these in a 41.5. So my feet's really weird. I wear between 10 and 11, I guess. And thank God I guessed right. These fit perfectly. I love them. I love the leather. It even smells really good. Oh wait, I guess I never had real like leather boots before, but smell like I'm a rich boot. Like I'm a rich boot. Don't talk to me. Like you don't talk to me if you can't afford me. Let's get the other one out. Ah, they're so adorable. Let's get the box out. So I wanted something that I know I would really use when it is fall. I had a pair of something similar from outsole. Black ankle boots are my boots. They're my favorite stuff. They're gorgeous. I just think they're just effortlessly nice. I feel like I can have them for years and they're never, who doesn't love a black boot in their closet? Like I feel like there's just everything, and then you turn around, you just, oh, the red. But no, seriously guys, I love these boots. I definitely recommend. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I wish, but I'm not. These boots are everything, and when I tell you they are comfortable, I tried them on, and the way I hear that red bottoms always hurt your feet, these boots are super comfortable. I love them. I love them. I love them. But yeah, let me know, guys. Let me know if you want to do a video on how I style these. If you want to see me try them on, let me know in the comments. Okay? And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. We have lots of fun unboxing on this page. More to come. And once again, thank you. Love you all.